Hello, my name is Rashad Campbell from Team Ultimus, and today we're going to talk about budgeting. The reason we want to focus on creating a budget is because it's essentially creating a game plan for you and your money. Please remember, name, image, and likeness is about you. Creating a budget is about you. Do not try to impress anyone else. Focus on you. That's why we're here. That's why it's important. And another reason why it's important is because you want to minimize distractions. If and when you decide to participate in name, image, and likeness, creating great financial habits early will allow you to continue to perform at a high level as a student and an athlete. Now, first, I want you to think about other areas in your life where you have plans. Think about going to the weight room, working out. You have a plan. You don't walk into the weight room and wander around for 10 to 20 minutes and then say, oh, well, maybe I'll do this, maybe I'll do that. You don't go onto the court, field, track, arena without a game plan from your coach. This is no different. This is just applying it to money, something that you're going to spend for the rest of your life. Think about how important it is. So, before we get too technical, I want you to identify a few things for me. Write it down on a piece of paper, put it in a spreadsheet, whatever is comfortable. Identify needs. These are your essentials. They can be materialistic or they don't have to be. They can be things like love or family. We've done workshops where we get those components added to that list. Next, I want you to talk about short-term wants. Anything that is a want that you would like in less than 2 years. For long-term wants, I want you to identify things that you would like in 3+ years. So you have needs, short-term wants, less than 2 years, long-term wants, 3+ years. And then if they don't fit in that category, just identify some personal goals you have for yourself. We really want you to take a step back and identify these things prior to creating your budget so that you're always aligned with your goals and the things that are important to you. You don't want to make that an afterthought. Make that a priority on the front end.